This is my Lawncare trailer. It's a 6.5 by 12 foot trailer, single axle. The single axle capacity load is up to 3,000 pounds. A pallet of sod is between 1,500 to 3,000 pounds. So very heavy, y'all. We want to make sure you have full-size tires when you're delivering something this heavy for your trailer. It could damage the trailer. It could like damage the tires and possibly cause an accident, you know what I mean, on the road, even death to another motorist. So be careful, y'all. Always research your trailer, the payload capacity, and make sure you have full-size tires. The guy putting the sod on the trailer is shifting it to the middle where the axle's at. That's where the strength of the trailer is. On top of the axle. So other than that, y'all never gonna use more than two pallets of sod on the trailer. Just one pallet of sod. All right, sod could be real heavy even if it's wet. When I'm driving, I always have a cargo strap on the top part of the sod. It's just to prevent the sod from flapping up because of the wind. It's not for the pallet. The pallet's not gonna go nowhere, y'all. It's 3,000 pound pallet. All right. Hope this video was helpful to you. If deciding if you're gonna use a single axle trailer to deliver sod or something heavy. Other than that, y'all, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye.